a grand homage to Davao City. VXI's dazzling float encapsulates Davao's vibrant spirit, honoring its people, wildlife, and icons such as Mount Apo, the Philippine Eagle, waling-waling, and durian fruit. It celebrates the city's rich culture and agricultural bounty, vividly portraying a unity and harmony in a spectacular, dynamic display. Once again, this is the float from VXI Global Holdings BP.
Siyempre, kauban nila si Roel Divina.
Johnson Cadera! Hi, Roel! Isa na puti sa itong pangutanon. Shot! Alaw, di siya katuwa na. Abi nag-joke lang daw siya na ikaw siya yung nakitaan karong adlawa. Mayo buntag. Isa na po din sa itong pangutanan. Asa pag-gikan og duty dire?
Asang ka mo? Gikan ka duty, wala? Ay, nakapahuway.
Nakarelax sila kay sayo ang ilang call time for today. So, naka-beauty rest ang mga taga-VXI. Salamat kaayo!